It's Sunday night at 11 p.m. You have 90 essays to read, 30 math worksheets to check, and a stack of science lab reports staring you down. You haven't even touched your lesson plans for tomorrow morning, and that familiar wave of Sunday scaries is hitting hard. Sound familiar? What if you could permanently delete that stress and reclaim 9 to 15 hours of your week without cutting a single corner on your student feedback? What if an intelligent engine could accurately read messy, handwritten student worksheets, track multi-step algebraic equations, evaluate oral reading exams, and map the data perfectly to your exact state standards? Today, we are doing a deep dive into GradingPal.ai. Look, let's be real, this isn't a generic AI chatbot like ChatGPT where you copy-paste sensitive student data, cross your fingers, and pray the output makes sense. This is a fully secure, FERPA-compliant grading ecosystem engineered precisely for K-12 classrooms to shield you from burnout. In the next 11 minutes, we are going click by click through this interface. We are testing it live across elementary, middle, and high school levels, processing English, math, and science assignments, and running an unfiltered, head-to-head breakdown against Magic School I, Brisk Teaching, Core Grader, Essay Grader, and GradeScope. If you're ready to stop losing your weekends to the red pen and get back to what you actually love, teaching, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's unlock easy grading. Segment 1, Setting the Foundation. Let's start with the basics. When you first arrive at the login screen, GradingPal gives you two frictionless entry points, either a quick, one-click sign-in via your Gmail account or by simply typing in any other preferred email address. Once you log in, the platform immediately prompts you to identify your role as either a student or a teacher, and after selecting Teacher, you will just fill out a few basic profile details like your name to calibrate the system. Let's talk about configuration, because GradingPal is designed to adapt explicitly to your classroom's specific demographic. Once your profile is set up, you'll head straight to the grade level settings where you can select your exact student framework. You can easily navigate through the different options, choosing elementary school, K-5, to focus heavily on foundational reading comprehension worksheets, simple math steps, and bite-sized, actionable feedback, middle school, 6-8, for structured writing, transitional algebra, and evidence-based science workflows, or high school, 9-12, to handle complex, multi-page analytical essays, advanced STEM equations, and rigorous rubric criteria. After locking in your grade level, you'll select your specific subject areas and academic specializations. From there, you customize the tool to your exact task by selecting your specific assignment type, whether it's a presentation, a worksheet, a video submission, an exam, or a quiz. Finally, you just select your typical assignment length and your weekly assignment frequency, click Submit, and the entire AI engine instantly calibrates itself to your unique teaching environment. Segment 2. The step-by-step demo on Google Classroom Sync. With a single click, GradingPal.ai securely integrates with Google Classroom, making your setup entirely effortless. When you click the Google Classroom icon, the platform seamlessly redirects you to your Google account login where, after accepting the standard terms and conditions, you will be prompted to choose from your available Google Classrooms. Once you select the specific classroom you want to sync, GradingPal.ai allows you to define your target grade levels, choose the suitable subjects, and select your exact standard set before clicking Import Class. Within no time, GradingPal imports everything into its dashboard, and it doesn't just copy student names, it actively syncs your rosters, reads your current assignments, and pulls submissions instantly into the system for grading. Segment 3, How to set up assignments. There are 3 options available, so let's choose the Instant option for the absolute fastest setup. Once you click Continue, the Upload section immediately opens up, allowing you to load your ready-made assignment details straight from your computer. Next, under the Rubrics section, you can upload your own pre-prepared rubrics, and then pull your students' submissions directly from your device or seamlessly from Google Classroom, with the added flexibility to select multiple student assignments at once. Under the Advanced options, you can even upload handouts and material as an additional reference for the AI. One of the most amazing features here is the feedback style control. Depending on your specific pedagogical needs, you can choose between styles like detailed, actionable, or the popular, glow or grow. You can also completely customize the feedback length to be detailed or concise, and fine-tune the feedback warmth to be rigorous, balanced, or highly encouraging. If you need special parameters met, teachers can provide additional customized instructions directly to the AI. And the true beauty of this software is that if you want to store the complete assignment feedback together under a single file, it saves it right to your cloud storage. Once everything is calibrated, just click Create and Grade, and the platform handles the rest. Then, the GradingPal.ai ecosystem immediately starts analyzing the assignment, extracting all your uploaded details from the system in no time. It instantly builds out the grading matrix using your uploaded materials, maps the specific grading categories within the rubric, sets up your customized feedback preferences, and saves your formatting style. Once that initial framework is locked in, the platform moves straight into processing the student work, applying its built-in AI system to grade each submission strictly based on your rubric criteria. Finally, everything synchronizes effortlessly back with Google Classroom, and your entire assignment is ready for review. Once the review process begins, you can check the reviewed submissions and witness the true beauty of GradingPal, a highly detailed, comprehensive analysis generated entirely based on your rubrics. GradingPal doesn't just assign a score, it generates feedback backed by clear reasoning and specific evidence from the student's work. Segment 4, Reviewing the Draft Scores, Human in the Loop. It breaks down exactly which sections, like problem scoping or data acquisition, need improvement, evaluating the submission against the allotted marks. For example, it identifies what kind of answer is expected for a 1-mark question, and uses the rubric guidelines to point out the exact reasoning and evidence behind the grade. This allows you to pinpoint precisely where students are making mistakes and where they need targeted instructional support. GradingPal also excels at crafting meaningful feedback for your students. Beyond providing detailed, section-by-section insights, it finally generates a concise summary of the entire assignment, which you can then share directly with your students. You have full control, too. You can easily adjust the feedback level to match the individual needs of each student. Once you have personally reviewed and approved the feedback generated by GradingPal, the system enables a seamless sharing option, allowing you to deliver these insights to your students with just a few clicks. This is where GradingPal truly stands out by blending a fully automated, AI-powered engine with a deeply teacher-centric approach. Ultimately, if you want to maintain your own documentation, you can easily download the generated insights and store them directly inside your student dossiers for future reference. Segment 5. The GradingPal Competitor Breakdown. Let's talk about real strategy. The edtech space is crowded with AI tools. You've likely heard of Magic School, Brisk, or Gradescope. How does GradingPal actually compare when put head-to-head? Let's break it down across the board. Magic School AI is a phenomenal, Swiss Army knife for general teacher productivity. It helps you write lesson plans, compose emails, and generate worksheets. The difference, when it comes down to actual assessment, Magic School provides general text boxes. GradingPal is a specialized scalpel. It gives you true, multimodal LMS integration, advanced OCR handwriting recognition, and individual student portfolios built entirely around specific standards. Brisk Teaching operates primarily as a Chrome extension that lays over your Google Docs. It's excellent for quick feedback as you navigate through your drive. The difference, Brisk lacks a dedicated grading environment. GradingPal provides a comprehensive, secure standalone platform. It lets you look at the class holistically, track historical student metrics over time, and grade files that don't originate inside a Google Doc, like photos of physical notebook pages. Gradescope is a massive, incredibly powerful software tool, but it was built primarily for higher education. Think large-scale university chemistry or computer science exams. Its setup is complex and often too expensive for individual K-12 teachers. The difference, GradingPal is tailor-made for K-12 workflows. It is built around Common Core and NGSS frameworks out of the box, with an interface designed for a busy K-12 school teacher's schedule. Segment 6. The Analytics Dashboard, Your Secret Weapon. This section right here is exactly why you will want to make this platform a permanent part of your daily workflow. The Analytics Dashboard. Every time you approve a set of grades, GradingPal automatically aggregates that student data into real-time performance profiles, breaking down complex performance trends across your entire roster instantly. The beauty of GradingPal Analytics is that it organizes everything into 5 powerful, interconnected tabs, with each one answering a different layer of the "what now?" question. First, the Overview tab gives you the instant class story, serving up a high-level snapshot the moment you open it, including the class mean, median, score range, submission status, and a concise performance summary written in plain, actionable instructional language. Next, the Strengths or Weaknesses tab uncovers named patterns with real student evidence. It expands the diagnostic surface into structured, multi-item lists where each takeaway is grounded in actual student writing, allowing you to turn vague feelings like "students need better analysis" into precise, named patterns you can actually target and teach. From there, you can jump into the Scores table tab for granular, rubric-aligned student data. It populates one row per student with every single rubric criterion expressed as a percentage, allowing you to toggle between percentages and raw points, use a heat map view for instant visual highs and lows, and export the entire matrix with one click. For structured assessments like exams, quizzes, worksheets, and problem sets, the dedicated Question Analytics tab appears, delivering a deep per-question item analysis in a matter of seconds instead of hours. Finally, the Recommendations tab takes you directly from insight to immediate action by serving up automatically generated, data-driven strategies based on your class data, allowing you to move from diagnosis to fully differentiated instruction in under 2 minutes. Conclusion. Let's be honest, teacher burnout isn't caused by students, it's caused by endless weekend grading. GradingPal isn't here to replace you, it automates the mechanical paperwork so you can focus on the human side of teaching. It's safe, FERPA compliant, and built to reclaim your weekends. Click the link below to start your free trial at GradingPal.ai and test it on your toughest assignments this week. If this helped, please subscribe to Tech Tools for Educators. Let's chat in the comments. What assignment do you absolutely hate grading the most? I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, thanks for all you do, and I'll see you next video.